Hey budding artist, welcome back to iArt Studio. Painting makes a great gift to your loved ones as it is personalized. Receiving a unique art like this one will definitely make your loved one feel very special. And since this painting lasts a lifetime, you will always share that connection with them. Check the description below for the materials required. Starting with the vertical lines, I'm sketching the mural of the lady. The outline is drawn as if she is blushing with a smile and her eyes closed. Line, color, form, shape and value are the elements of this art. And now I'm sketching the man's face. I could see the most spectacular, indescribable, deep, euphoric feeling of love for each other in their faces. You can now take a screenshot and have that as your reference image. As the second step, we begin to cover the background with Scarlet red using a 1/2-inch flat brush. The background color is again your personal preference, guys, feel free to change it. We shall paint big blocks of color, often as washes, and then add more and more refinement as we add layers. We call this acrylic painting technique as layering. The heart-shaped earring of the lady is painted in red to highlight it against the background. I have inverted the canvas and now neatly painting outside the shapes. Colors such as red, yellow and orange evoke warmth because they remind us of things like the sun or fire. Scarlet reds cover the area well since they are opaque. Now our canvas has begun to brighten up as we painted red to the surface. Always try to explore the ways of painting that feels right to you, which will improve your creativity slowly. When the first layer of background is covered, let it dry for a few minutes and then proceed to cover it with the second and third coats. Take a 1/2-inch flat brush and apply silver pigment for the faces of the lady and the man. If you don't have silver, you can use titanium white instead of that. I used pearl silver to add a sparkling to this eternal love, a love that never ends. We can highlight the mural as a third step using black. I am applying it using a 1/4-inch round brush. This should be a sharp application, so damp your brush with water when taking the pigment. I have painted the face and hand of the lady as thick curves and the others remain thin and subtle. Keep building your skills and it will get better over time. The man's eyes are joyously closed as if waiting for a kiss from the lady. We now start to highlight the flowery hearts. It appeals to me as if these hearts in the foreground are dancing with the rhythm of their love. For the corners, I use a 1/4-inch flat brush and giving a dotted effect as borders instead of a straight vertical line. Sign it before winding up, and here comes the romantic mural of eternal love painted in 3 easy steps and just 3 colors. Do try this painting and tag me in Instagram and Facebook. See you guys next week with an interesting artwork. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe iArt Studio and hit the bell button for more contents. See ya!